Living in a Castle 8 with Gwalia, followed by Medrod. Written and illustrated by Sarah L. Dolan. Trying to catch a mouse. Medrod, the castle cat, was not on his mat. Medrod, the medieval cat, was busy trying to catch a mouse. Trying to catch one particular mouse. Trying to catch Gwalia. Wanted. Gwalia the mouse. Medrod tried looking in the chapel, but it was empty. Medrod tried looking in the forge where the blacksmith worked, but it was too smoky to see. Eek, eek, can you see me? Medrod tried looking in the wool, but it was more like playing in the wool. Medrod tried listening, but he couldn't hear anything. Up and down, round and round. Medrod tried climbing to the top of the tower, but there was nobody there. Medrod tried waiting at the bottom of the stairs, but he fell asleep. Medrod tried looking in the garden, but a knight was having a bath and Medrod didn't like water. Only dirty people need to wash. Medrod did not try looking in the moat. Remember last time? Yes, he fell in. Medrod tried looking in every room of the castle, and there were lots of them. Medrod had tried everywhere and everything, but he couldn't catch Gwalia. Medrod's mat. I'm as quiet as a mouse.